Welcome back. The report of the dead bodies procured from the GMC has become a roadblock in the Shiroda Homeopathy College skeleton case probe. Ponda police is still awaiting report from the GMC. Two staffers of Kamakshi Devi Homeopathic Medical College were arrested on Tuesday. The Goa State Pollution Control Board along with the Ponda police inspected the anatomy museum of the college on Tuesday. Report will be submitted to the police.
Pollution बोर्डाच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी विजिट केली त्या स्पॉटाचेर ज्या जाग्याचेर आमकां ते मानवी सांगाडे मेळ्ळे ते आनी तेंचो रिपोर्ट अवेटेड आहा. सो तेंच्या म्हणण्या प्रमाण ती प्लेस प्रॉपर ना आनी जे सुरवातीक दोन लॅब अटेंडंट हाडलेलो तो एक देविदास वर्कर आनी दुसरो बेनी फर्नांडीस तांकां आमी आज अरेस्ट केले. Same section, take a trespass, exposing the human body, negligence. GMC कडल्यान आमकां रेकॉर्ड येवपाचो आसा. आमी डे टू डे फॉलो अप करीत आसा आनी तो रेकॉर्ड येतकूच आमी फुडली जी कारवाय आहा ती करता.
Both Devidas and Benedito were later released on bail. Earlier on 6th of July, 9 bodies were found buried nearby the Kamakshi Devi Homeopathy Medical College and Hospital area. Police have also registered offence against management of the college. College claims that they have procured 35 bodies from GMC since 1998. However, the records are still not traceable in the GMC to corroborate the claim. Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
All India Kisan Sabha has demanded compensation for the farmers from mining lessees. They say their agricultural land and water got destroyed due to the dumps and reject from the mining companies. The Goa unit of Kisan Sabha organized a protest rally on Tuesday. They submitted a memorandum to the Deputy Collector of Bicholi requesting him to direct the management of the mining companies of the Chogule, Seza and Banekar to pay compensation to the farmers.
मायनिंग कंपनी मायनिंग करप दिवप ना जो पर्यंत सरकार गोवा मिनरल डेव्हलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन स्थापन करिना आमची मागणी आसा किसान सभेतर्फे की सरकारान त्वरित सगळ्यो मायनिंग ताब्यात घेवच्यो आणि जी 35,000 कोटीची लूट आसा ती लूट परत हाडपाची आणि सगळ्या मायनिंग मिनरल बेजान घालपाचे. जशे कर्नाटका ग्रेट डी ब्रदर्साक भितर घातले आसा सरकारान शा कमिशन रिपोर्ट येवन तशेंच आमच्या मायनिंग कंपनीचे ओनर आमचे लीज होल्डर साळगांवकार, देपो, सेजा, बांदेकर, चौगुलो तसे बाकीचे तांकां भितर घालचे ही आमची मागणी आसा.
जोपर्यंत शेतकऱ्याची नुकसान भरपाई दिना तोपर्यंत आम्ही वजी रावचे ना. तळयो मोठे मोठे फातर येवन पडलेले आहा. 2-3 तळयो आहा झरे व्हांवताले आज ते बंद जाल्ले आहा कारण डोंगर तेणी कट केल्लो आहा आणि ताका लागून आज आमच्या शेतकऱ्याचे बागायतदाराची मोठ्या प्रमाणात नुकसान जाल्ली आहा. आमी ह्या सरकाराक सांगूंक शकता ताबडतोब आमची नुकसान भरपाई आमकां मेळपाक जाय आणि आमच्या ह्या शेतकऱ्यांचेर अन्याय जाल्लो आहा तो दूर जावपाक जाय आणि आमी हो निशेध करपाक आमी परत एकदां आमी ह्या कंपनीचो चौगले, भेंपो, बांदेकर, शेजा गोवाचो निशेध करता आणि आज आमी आमच्यो मागण्यो मेळासत तो पर्यंत आमी लढत रावतले आणि आमच्यो मागण्यो आमकां मेळपाक जाय आणि मायन चालू जाल्या तेन्ना पासून मेळपाक जाय.
शेतकऱ्यांची नुकसान भरपाई परत दिया. शेतकऱ्यांची नुकसान भरपाई परत दिया. शेतकऱ्यांची नुकसान भरपाई परत दिया.
The High Court has rejected state government's petition seeking cancellation of bail to 10 co-accused in Shioli's Arun Toraskar's murder case. The trial court had granted regular bail to all 10 accused even before the charge sheet was being filed. Main accused Rupesh Sargaonkar is in judicial custody.
The High Court on Tuesday declined state government's appeal to cancel the bail granted by the District and Sessions Court Panji to the all 10 co-accused in Arun Toraskar murder case at Shioli. The prosecution had argued that on the intervening night of 19th and 20th January, these accused were gathered at the crime spot with the motive to kill victim Arun Toraskar. When Arun Toraskar reached there along with his friends, all the accused had beaten Arun to death. The court questioned prosecution as to how only Arun got fatal injury and not any of his friends, while the main accused, Rupesh, and other co-accused had minor injuries. Terming it a wake-up call to the state prosecution, The High Court observed that at this stage of the case, prosecution has failed to prove that the accused were gathered there with the main accused with an intention to commit the murder. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Margaon New Market Traders Association carried out Margaon Chief Officer on Tuesday. They have demanded immediate roofing of the new market, gate repairs and clearing of the sewage line. They have given 8 days deadlines to the municipality or have threatened to close the market thereafter.
म्युनिसिपालिटी एरिया थंय सगळी बिल्डिंगेनी सगळी पार्किंग बंद केल्या ती पार्किंग ओपन कर म्हणून सांगल्या म्युनिसिपालिटीक आमी आनी ते पार्किंग ओपन केले शिवाय आमच्या मार्केटान भितर कोणें येवचें न्ही म्हणून आनी वयर बिल्डिंग आमी रिपेर्सा दिल्ली 32 lakhs म्युनिसिपालिटीन ते रिपेर केल्ले ते अजून 4 आण्याचें काम जावना सगळे बिल्डिंग परत लिकेज जाता तिवूय आमी कंप्लेंट घेवन आयल्या आमगे टॉयलेट थंय मोडलेला टॉयलेटूय रिपेर जायना आनी ट्रेड लायसन्स तेवूय जावना म्हणून ताका लागून आमी म्युनिसिपालिटी आयले चीफ ऑफिसरान आमकां 8 दिसान टायम दिल्लो आसा 8 दिसां भितर आपूण सगळें करता म्हणून सपोज 8 दिसान जायना आमी 8 दिसां नंतर म्युनिसिपालिटी परत म्युनिसिपालिटी येतले आनी फूल मार्केट बंद करून येतले आमी.
The members of the association also informed that the tender of roofing was pending from an year. They said that the contractor was claiming payment without finishing the project. Further, they warned that no municipality officer will be allowed to enter the premises of New Market unless the repair work commences. Meanwhile, Chief Officer of Margaon, Dipali Naik said, inquiry will be initiated against the concerned engineer if he is found guilty.
Roofing कितें केलां ते satisfactory ना आनी कितें ना. Our engineer has given full report, full proof it is done. परत heavily rain जालें तेन्ना drain जालें जाल्यार हो रिपोर्ट हांव काडून पळयतां. ना कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरान काम केलां आसतलें म्हणून तर सर्टिफाय जालां आसतलें न्ही. इंजिनियर हॅज टू बी टेकन टू टास्क इफ इट इज नॉट कॅरीड आउट. पळोवचें पडटलें.
The members of New Market have threatened to close down activity in the New Market if their demands are not fulfilled within 8 days. Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.